Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. Let's start a live mock test of the PTE, including all sections. First is speaking, second is the writing, third one is reading, and last one is the listening. So you can perform this test along with me, or you can practice this test later. So let's start without wasting of time. First is the introduction. You can skip the introduction in the final exam, but if you are giving the test on the AP unit, then you have to give your introduction. So let's start. Microphone is working. Microphone is working. So this is the introduction part, and you can give your introduction as well as you can also repeat these questions. You just have to read the questions, read the sentences aloud. Hi, my name is Amarjit Kaur and I am from Mohali and I have a good experience in teaching. So this is the first part, speaking, and second one is writing, and but time period is combined for both the sections. It is about 54 to 67 minutes. This is the first question. First part is the read aloud. The audio, which includes more than 1000 separate data files, was captured in the early 1970s by the late Hattie Van de Rigid. She recorded the various screams, barks and haw calls made by a group of chimps, including 17 youngsters living in the Gom National Park in Tanzania. The audio, which includes more than 1000 separate data files, was captured in the early 1970s by the late Hattie Van de Rigid. She recorded the various screams, barks and haw calls made by a group of chimps, including 17 youngsters living in the Gom National Park in Tanzania. Second question of read aloud. The United States is at present the world's market for motor cars and trucks. An agent for the U.S. Bureau of Foreign and Domestic Commerce reports a prosperous condition of affairs prevailing in Japan, which is buying more automobiles, especially large cars, than ever before. So you will get 35 seconds for preparation. During 35 seconds, you have to read their sentences aloud. The United States is at present the world's market for motor cars and trucks. An agent for the U.S. Bureau of Foreign and Domestic Commerce reports a prosperous condition of affairs prevailing in Japan, which is buying more automobiles, especially large cars, than ever before. There is a tendency, especially in the popular press, to concentrate on the negative effects of immigration. In that context, this lecture listing the benefits it brings to more developed nation is much more welcome. Also, it is delivered in a lively and amusing style. There is a tendency, especially in the popular press, to concentrate on the negative effects of immigration. In that context, this lecture listing the benefits it brings to more developed nation is much more welcome. Also, it is delivered in a lively and amusing style. Australians speak English, of course, but for many tourists and even some locals, Australian English has only tenuous links with mother tongue. Our speech is prepared with words and phrases whose arcane meanings are understood only by the initiate. It is these colorful colloquialisms that Australian slang said to truly explain. So this is the colloquialisms, phrases, arcane, initiate, Australians speak English, of course, but for many tourists and even some locals, Australian English has only tennis links with mother tongue. Our speech is prepared with words and phrases whose arcane meanings are understood only by the initiated. It is these colorful colloquialisms that Australian slang set to truly explain. Traditional divisions of domestic work are understood to persist because of the strong association of the home with femininity and paid work with masculinity. To challenge who does what in the home is arguably tantamount to challenging what it is to be a woman or a man. This is tantamount, arguably challenging masculinity, femininity. Traditional divisions of domestic work are understood to persist because of the strong association of the home with femininity and paid work with masculinity. To challenge who does what in the home is arguably tantamount to challenging what it is to be a woman or a man. Injury or disease that afflicts a relatively small number of brain cells causes a chain reaction that stops activity across a vast network of neural circuits, according to new research. The study may help to explain why people can suffer from the temporary but severe loss of cognitive function in cases of traumatic brain injury or disease. Injury or disease that afflicts a relatively small number of brain cells causes a chain reaction that stops activity across a vast network of neural circuits, according to new research. The study may help to explain why people can suffer from temporary but severe loss of cognitive function in cases of traumatic brain injury or disease. Current policy responses do not address the fundamental question of why so many mass shootings take place in schools. To answer this question, we need to get to the heart of how students experience school and the meaning that schools have in American life. While some of these measures seem sensible, overall there is the little empirical evidence that such security measures decreases the likelihood of school shootings. Current policy responses do not address the fundamental question of why so many mass shootings take place in schools. To answer this question, we need to get to the heart of how students experience school and the meaning that school have in American life. While some of these measures seem sensible, overall there is little empirical evidence that such a security measure decrease the likelihood of school shootings. Repeat sentence.
The course will be tested at the end of the semester.
The course will be tested at the end of the semester.
The burning of fossil fuels leads to pollution and global warming.
The burning of fossil fuels leads to pollution and global warming.
The Generic Biology Technology Lab is located at the north wing of the library.
The Genetic Biotechnology Lab is located at the north wing of the library.
A renowned economist is selected to have a speech tonight at 8.
An economist is selected to have a speech tonight at 8.
What distinguishes him from others is his dramatic use of black and white photography.
What distinguishes him from others is his dramatic use of black and white photography.
Students will not be given credits for assignments submitted after the due date.
Students will not be given credits for the assignment submitting after the due date.
In consultation with your supervisor, your thesis is approved by the faculty committee.
In consultation with your supervisor, your thesis is approved by the faculty committee.
It's time to finalize the work before the Wednesday seminar.
It's time to finalize the work before the Wednesday seminar.
Environmental friendliness is a new category in which campuses are competing.
Environmental is a new category in which campuses are competing.
She is an expert of the 18th century French literature.
She is an expert of the 18th century French literature.
Negative discourse continues to be predominant in discussion of gender.
Negative discourse continues to be predominant in discussion of gender. Describe image and heading is favorite type of movie, and keywords are comedy, action, romance, drama, and you can say people, and here is the number. The image provided shows us information about favorite type of movie. It displays various elements on the x-axis and on the y-axis. In the image there are different colors like black, yellow and red. Additionally, I noticed keywords like comedy, action, romance and drama, as well as 4, 6, 8 and 10. Furthermore, within the image one element appears to be maximum while another seems to be minimum. Overall, the image is very informative. Main hall, office, kitchen, male toilet, female toilet, handicapped, and this is the floor plan. The image provided shows us information about floor plan. It displays various elements on the x-axis and on the y-axis. In the image there are different colors like black, yellow and red. Additionally, I noticed keywords like main hall, office and kitchen, as well as male toilet, female toilet and handicapped. Furthermore, within the image one element appears to be maximum while another seems to be minimum. Overall, the image is very informative. This is the picture, and people at the dining table you can say, and there is the men, women and children, and plates, juice and glass, broccoli, the image provided shows us information about people at dining table. It displays various elements on the x-axis and on the y-axis. In the image there are different colors like black, yellow and red. Additionally, I noticed keywords like men, women and children, as well as juice, water, glass, plates and table. Furthermore, within the image one element appears to be maximum while another seems to be minimum. Overall, the image is very informative.
At the top, you would have a king. Now, the king would rule over a kingdom. Now, this is not so easy to govern, especially during the Middle Ages, and the king might owe many people things, especially people who helped the king come to power, helped him depose the previous king or to conquer this land. And so, in exchange for that, and to help govern, he might grant land or fiefs to other people. And the key currency in the Middle Ages under the feudal system is land, and land in exchange for loyalty and service. So this whole thing is a kingdom. Now right over here, this is a duchy. And a duchy will be controlled by a duke. I guess they didn't call it duchy because that just doesn't sound as serious. So the king might grant a duchy to a duke, and in exchange, the duke would provide loyalty, pledge their fealty. If the kingdom is threatened, the duke will fight alongside the king, would provide their own troops. If the king wants to go conquer other territories, same thing, and also provide the king with taxes, which might be in the form of coinage, depending on what time and region we are in the Middle Ages, or it might be in the form of a percentage of the agricultural production from this duchy.
So this is the retail lecture. Try to note down the phrases in the retail lecture and always use a good template. The speaker was discussing king and their kingdom. He talked about at the top you would have a king. He discussed that the key currency in Middle Ages. He mentioned that duchy will be controlled by duke. He highlighted that the duke would provide loyalty. Finally, he suggested that percentage of the agriculture production. Overall, the lecture was very informative. One word sentence.
What do we call the selling and transporting of goods to another country?
Export.
Which organ is the blood pumped from?
Heart.
What do we call a person's move to a more important job or rank in a company?
Promotion.
What do you call a difficult time when economic activities slow down, and there are more people unemployed?
Recession.
Jack is having a presentation on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. When will Jack have his speech? Today, tomorrow, or next week?
Tomorrow.
What is the legal document protecting someone's intellectual property?
Patent. So this is the first question of summarize written text. You can get 2 questions of summarize written text. So let's start with the first line. Word limit is 50 to 70 words and time limit is 10 minutes, and I am starting from the first line, and I am starting my line from although. First line, a leader can define or clarify goals by issuing a memo or an executive order, an edict or fatwa, or a tweet. By passing a law, barking a command, or presenting an interesting idea in a meeting of colleagues. So this is the first line. Now this is the first line. After first line, give a semicolon, then give a space. I am using connector here, but then comma, and after that give a space. Now I am taking this line. We can think of leadership. We can think of leadership as a spectrum in terms of both visibility, visibility and the power and the power the leader, and this is the second line. So after second line give a semicolon, connector is hence, then give a comma, and words are 61 and word limit is 70. So we can also take the last line, second last line, but second last line is also long and I am taking this line, but we can't take the complete line. So let's check. Women have provided low key leadership. I am taking only this. Here are 64. Women can provided low key leadership. So this is done. So words are 66. Although a leader can define, you can check your spellings, grammar mistakes and check your word limit. A leader can define or qualify goals by issuing a memo on this, edict or by passing a law, barking a command, presenting an interesting idea and meeting of colleagues. Check your spellings, leadership. So this is the summarized written text, first question of the writing section. Click on the next button and this is write an essay. Working employees have paid leaves. So you can follow my template as well as you can use your template. So I am following my template. The contribution of technology to human society is visible to everyone. However, nowadays humans are dependent on the mercy of science. So in the next line you can write down the topic. Working employees have paid leave. This essay will discuss, this is the line of the template, this essay will discuss both sides of the argument, and come to a logical discussion. This was the first paragraph. Now here is the second paragraph. First and foremost, there are many reasons in favor of the argument. The best explanation is that the value of science is appreciated by us whenever we are in a difficult situation. For example, For example, in a survey conducted by leading researchers, check your spellings of researchers, most people gave positive feedback on science. Most people gave positive spelling of positive feedback on science. Hence, it is that we cannot ignore the positive outcome of the given notion. Third paragraph. On the contrary, the people opposing the argument have their strong reasons. The justification is that on occasions when we need the help of science, it exposes to us its darker side. For instance, many studies have proved the highly negative impacts of science on human life today. Therefore, one can postulate that this scenario has various drawbacks that have to be seen. Last paragraph. Whenever we think of technology, a mixed feeling surrounds. OUN surrounds us and leaves us wondering how the future will be. However, after discussing both sides, one can conclude that. So again you have to mention the name of the topic, and name of the topic is this one. Copy it and you can paste it here. Change the first letter because it is capital. Working. So do the proofreading. Check your spellings to human society. However, nowadays humans are dependent on this. Working employees have paid leave. This essay will discuss and come to a logical discussion. This essay will discuss both sides. Here it is conclusion, not discussion. Because we will conclude the topic. First and foremost, favor of the argument. The best explanation is that the value of science is appreciated by us whenever we are in difficult situation. For example, in a survey conducted by leading researchers, most people gave positive feedback on science, as it is that we cannot ignore the positive outcome of the given notion. On the contrary, the people opposing the argument have their strong reason. The justification is that on occasions, check your spellings of occasions. When we need to help of science, it exposes to us help of science. For instance, many studies have proved the highly negative impact of science on life today. Therefore, one can postulate that the scenario has various drawbacks that have to be seen. So here it is, full stop. Have paid leave. Here again it is full stop. So word limit is 200. Time is 20 minutes for one question. And word limit is 200 to 300 words. Next section is the reading section. So let's start. Timing is 29 to 30 minutes. This is the first question and here total questions are 16. So let's start with first question. Many parents want their children to grow up with the love of reading. However, recent research. So इसमें जो बात हो रही है वो रीडिंग के रिगार्डिंग बात हो रही है कि जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो चाहते हैं कि जो उनके चिल्ड्रंस हैं उनका जो जब वो ग्रो कर रहे हैं तब उनका जो रीडिंग के साथ इंटरेस्ट है वो बना रहे. नेक्स्ट है हाउ एवर रीसेंट रिसर्च की बात हो रही है दैट चिल्ड्रन नाउ अ डे स्पेंड फार मोर ऑफ देयर टाइम यूजिंग देयर फोन्स और कंप्यूटर्स. मीन्स जो रीसेंट रिसर्च हुई है तो उसमें पता चला है कि मोस्टली जो बच्चे हैं वो अपना टाइम पीरियड स्पेंड करते हैं बाय यूजिंग मोबाइल फोन एंड दी कंप्यूटर्स. सो अब इसमें रीसेंट रिसर्च है. सो रीसेंट रिसर्च का मतलब है कि वो रिसर्च हो चुकी है. सो अगर हम यहाँ पे शोन की बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि सभी ब्लैंक्स में जो ऑप्शन है वो शोन है, शो है, मतलब शो का मीनिंग ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. बट इसमें हमारे पास है कि रीसेंट रिसर्च है जो अभी हो चुकी है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगा वो आएगा हैज शोन. अब नेक्स्ट है चिल्ड्रन मैनी एडवांटेजेस बट बुक्स आर डैश इम्पॉर्टेंट एज कंप्यूटर्स. सो यहाँ पे उसने लिखा है एज कंप्यूटर्स तो यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास ऑप्शन है एज इम्पॉर्टेंट एज कंप्यूटर्स. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास ऑप्शन आएगी एज. Next is many British schools run an event called World Book Day. This event dash to promote reading to pupils using various fun activities. अब उसने बोला कि जो ये event है and the event name is the World Book Day. This event offers डेफर्स एम्स एंड डिसएग्रीज. बट अगले सेंटेंस पे अगर हम बात करें तो प्रमोशन की बात हो रही है फॉर रीडिंग कि रीडिंग की प्रमोशन कर रहा है ये वाला इवेंट. तो इसमें हमारे पास क्या आएगा कि उस इवेंट का जो एम है क्योंकि डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करेगा वो डिसएग्री भी नहीं करेगा और डेफर भी नहीं करेगा क्योंकि उसका उसने प्रमोशन करनी है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगी एम्स. नेक्स्ट इज बट इट ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर चिल्ड्रन टू रीड एट होम टू. सो बच्चों के लिए ये भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि वो घर पे भी रीडिंग करें. एट द मोमेंट पेरेंट्स स्पेंड टाइम रीडिंग विद देयर चिल्ड्रन रेगुलरली. नाउ एट द मोमेंट, एक मोमेंट की बात हो रही है. वेरी फ्यू पेरेंट्स, अ लिटिल पेरेंट्स, अ फ्यू पेरेंट्स एंड लेस पेरेंट्स. सो लेस मीन्स लेस हम क्वांटिटी के लिए यूज करते हैं. इफ अ क्वांटिटी इज गिवन इन द सेंटेंस देन वी यूज लेस, बट हियर इट इज अ फ्यू. अ फ्यू मीन्स एक फ्यू की बात हो रही है. अ लिटिल में भी सेम वही चीज है कि यहाँ पे अ लिटिल मतलब एक लिटिल पेरेंट्स. सो यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स की बात हो रही है, पेरेंट की बात नहीं हो रही है. सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगी वेरी फ्यू पेरेंट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A novel invention for helping farmers to do dry out this. And 23 from Kippen Strungsingle, the glass glow. Now अब यहाँ पे उसने जो बात करी है वो नॉवल इन्वेंशन की बात करी है फॉर हेल्पिंग फार्मर्स टू ड्राई आउट हे मोर क्विकली एज वन अ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिस. सो इन्वेंशन की बात हो रही है फॉर हेल्पिंग दी फार्मर्स. सो यहाँ पे उसने एक अवार्ड की बात करी है, प्रेस्टिजियस डिजाइन अवार्ड. तो उसमें उसने जो बना रहा है इस अवार्ड के लिए जो डिजाइनिंग हुई है, मेडल फॉर हिज डिजाइन फॉर अ स्वॉट इन्वर्टर. सो उसने क्या करा है, फॉर्स्ड करा है, कंसाइंड, रिन्यूड एंड स्कूप्ड. सो अगर आप यहाँ पे कोई अवार्ड या कोई हेल्प कर रहे हो, कोई चीज लिख रहे हो, तो उसके लिए अगर हम यहाँ पे फॉर्ज वर्ड की बात कर रहे हैं तो फॉर्ज वर्ड अगर हम यूज करते हैं तो हमारा वो हैमरिंग के लिए यूज होता है. सो कौन साइन भी नहीं होगा. रिन्यू होता है कि आप ऑलरेडी है, आप उसको रिन्यू कर रहे हो. तो स्कूप हम यूज करते हैं पब्लिशिंग अ न्यू स्टोरी. सो यहाँ पे उसने कोई स्टोरी ही पब्लिश कर रहा है क्योंकि किसी इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री कोर्स की बात हो रही है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आएगी स्कूप्ड. नेक्स्ट है अ डैश फॉर फ्लिपिंग ओवर अ हे क्रॉप टू हेल्प ड्राई आउट द डैम्प अंडर साइड. नाउ अ सजेशन, अ प्रेडिक्शन, अ सिचुएशन और अ डिवाइस. सो यहाँ पे अगर आप इन्वेंशन की बात कर रहे हो फॉर हेल्पिंग फार्मर्स, तो यहाँ पे डिजाइनिंग की बात हो रही है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगी वो क्या आएगी, डिवाइस. नेक्स्ट इज गेविन केम अप विद द डिजाइन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिजाइन बोला है उसने एज पार्ट ऑफ हिज प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री कोर्स रन इन डैश विद स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट. सो यहाँ पे उसने जो डिजाइन करा है वो डिग्री कोर्स के लिए करा है, बट जो वो रन कर रहा है विद द डैश. अब यहाँ पे जो सेंटेंस है विद डैश, कोऑर्डिनेट विद डैश, अकॉर्डेंस, कंजंक्शन या कॉन्ट्रास्ट. सो यहाँ पे अगर अकॉर्डिंग होता तो हम सोच सकते थे, बट यहाँ पे कंजंक्शन वर्ड भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हम कॉलोकेशन वर्ड नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं, कॉन्ट्रास्ट भी नहीं आएगा. सो उसके साथ वो क्या करेगा, कोऑर्डिनेट कर सकता है, अकॉर्डेंस कर सकता है या कंजंक्शन कर सकता है. तो हम यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट लगा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है दी रोलर्स आर ड्रिवन फ्रॉम वन हाइड्रोलिक मोटर एंड गियर एज टू स्पिन एट द सेम स्पीड एंड इन opposite direction. So यहाँ पे रोलर्स की बात हो रही है that the touching in a two faces. So उसने बोला है कि ड्रिवन फ्रॉम वन हाइड्रोलिक मोटर, एक मोटर से वो ड्रिवन कर रहा है और स्पिन कर रहा है सेम स्पीड पे एंड इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, दैट द टचिंग इन अ टू फेसेस ऑफ द बेल्ट दैट परफॉर्म द इन्वर्जन मूव rewards at the same speed. So denying, supposing, imposing या इंश्योरिंग. सो डिनाई मीन्स मना कर रहा है, स्पोज मीन्स ऐसा हम सोच सकते हैं, इम्पोज यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा और यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास इंश्योरिंग ही बनती है क्योंकि उसने बोला कि वो स्पिन सेम स्पीड पे कर रहा है और उनकी डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट होनी चाहिए. सो ये हमें इंश्योर करना है कि उसके जो टू इनर फेसेस हैं वो टच कर रहे हैं ऑफ द बेल्ट दैट प्लेटफॉर्म द इन्वर्जन. सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगी इंश्योरिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Crime is an integral part of everyday life. It's a prominent dash in the news. So crime की बात हो रही है कि it is an integral part of everyday life. So this it is a prominent feature, point, aspect या first. So यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन, क्योंकि अगर हम एलिमिनेशन स्ट्रेटेजी की बात करें तो आस्पेक्ट या फर्स्ट नहीं आएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो आ सकता है हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन वो फीचर और पॉइंट है. बट यहाँ पे उसने बोला इन दी न्यूज एंड इज अ पॉपुलर सब्जेक्ट. सो सब्जेक्ट है फॉर फिक्शनल पोर्ट्रेल, तो यहाँ पे उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या आएगा, ऑप्शन फीचर. नेक्स्ट है दिस मीन्स दैट मोस्ट ऑफेंसेस डैश ऑन दी सिलेबस सच एज मर्डर, थेफ्ट एंड रेप विल बी फैमिलियर टर्म्स. सो उसने बोला है कि जो वो है जो क्राइम के बारे में वो स्टडी कर रहा है, लीगल स्टडीज है, विल हैव सम एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ क्राइम वेदर डायरेक्टली एज अ विक्टिम ऑफ क्राइम. सो दिस मोस्ट डिफेंसेस कवरिंग, कवर्ड, आर कवर्ड, हैज कवर्ड. सो उसने बोला दिस मीन्स, इसका मतलब निकाला है द मोस्ट ऑफेंसेस डैश ऑन द सिलेबस सच एज दिस एंड दिस. सो वो कवरिंग करेंगे, कवर्ड करेंगे या आर कवर्ड आएगा. तो यहाँ पे उसने बोला है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे प्लूरल आ चुका है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग कर नहीं रहा है. कवरिंग मीन्स वो चीज चल रही है. आर कवर्ड पैसिव में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो इसलिए यूज होता है, और हैज कवर्ड आना था कि अगर हम ये चीज कर चुके हैं, बट वो कह रहा है कि वो ऐसा करता है. सो करता है मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या आएगा हमारे पास, कवर्ड. नेक्स्ट है दिस कैन बी अ रियल डिसएडवांटेज डैश द एकेडमिक स्टडी ऑफ क्रिमिनल law because it tends to lead students to rely on this. So in spite of, in front of, in terms of. So इसने बोला है कि ये एक रियल डिसएडवांटेज भी हो सकता है द एकेडमिक स्टडी ऑफ क्रिमिनल लॉ इन टर्म्स ऑफ. नेक्स्ट इज इट इज एब्सोल्युटली डैश टू सक्सेस इन क्रिमिनल लॉ, इनएविटेबल, रिस्पॉन्सिबल, एसेंशियल या इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे टू सक्सेस इन क्रिमिनल लॉ बोल रहे हैं दैट यू पुट असाइड एनी प्रायर नॉलेज ऑफ द ऑफेंसेस एंड फोकस ऑन द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ लॉ. तो यहाँ पे इनएविटेबल है या रिस्पॉन्सिबल है या असेंशियल है या इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो एब्सोल्युटली इम्पॉर्टेंट भी हम बोल सकते हैं. इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि महत्वपूर्ण है, असेंशियल होता है कि जरूरी है. सो अगर हम ऑफेंसेस की बात कर रहे हैं, लॉ की बात कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगा असेंशियल. नेक्स्ट है लॉ ड्राइव फ्रॉम स्टैट्यूज एंड केसेस. नाउ डूइंग दिस, बाय डूइंग दिस, विदाउट डूइंग दिस, बट अगर हम डूइंग कर रहे हैं तो विदाउट डूइंग तो नहीं आएगा, डिस्पाइट डूइंग भी नहीं आएगा. डिस्पाइट होता है कि इसके अलावा, या फॉर डूइंग दिस. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगी बाय डूइंग दिस. Next is scientists have discovered the cause of a mass extinction of sea floor marine organism, this which also provides insight into how climate change can impact. मीन्स जो क्लाइमेट चेंज है वो कैसे इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है डीप ओशियन. नाउ कैन इम्पैक्ट इन डीप ओशियन, इन मीन्स प्रपोजिशंस है यहाँ पे सारी, इन, ऑफ, ऑन या ऑफ. सो दिस इज ऑफ कि जब हम बोलते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ, और दिस इज ऑफ मीन्स लाइक अ स्विच ऑफ. नाउ दिस इज ऑन एंड दिस इज इन. तो इम्पैक्ट उस चीज के ऊपर पड़ रहा है. अगर उस चीज के ऊपर पड़ रहा है तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आएगा on. In a new study dash in the journal Nature Communications. Now in a new study publishing, has published या published या be publishing. So publishing means चल रही है, but उसने बोला in a new study in the journal Nature scientists from this and this have discovered. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास आ गया have discovered. It means वो discover कर चुके हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगी published. Now this an important group in relation to biomass in the deep ocean and the cause of their extinction was dash unknown. तो उन्होंने बोला कि जो उसकी एक्सटिंक्शन का कॉज था ओकेजनली अननोन है, नेसेसरली अननोन है, या प्रीवियसली अननोन है, या करंटली अननोन है. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है कि उस चीज के बारे में हमें नहीं पता था और साइंटिस्ट टेस्टेड वेरियस पॉसिबल. तो प्रीवियसली वो चीज क्या थी हमारे पास, अननोन थी. नाउ साइंटिस्ट टेस्टेड वेरियस पॉसिबल डैश फॉर द मास एक्सटिंक्शन, कॉजेस, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, एलिमेंट्स या फैक्टर. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, कॉजेस. were able to discount others such as ocean cooling. They discovered that the extinction was caused. तो यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास caused ही है. Now however they discovered, thus, so या instead. So उन्होंने यहाँ पे बोला कि मास एक्सटिंक्शन वर एबल टू डिस्काउंट अदर्स सच एज ओशन कूलिंग. अब उसके अलावा उन्होंने क्या करा, दे डिस्कवर दैट द एक्सटिंक्शन वाज कॉज्ड बाय अ ग्लोबल चेंज इन दिस एट द सरफेस ऑफ दिस. पहले ये चीज थी बट उसके बाद ये चीज हो गया. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, इंस्टेड. we have to focus on time as well. Now 17 minutes are left. The APS Division of Psychological Research, Education and Training in dash with teacher. Now अगर हम ट्रेनिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, एजुकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास जो आंसर है वो क्लियर है कि इन कंसल्टेशन. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा हमारे पास, ये टीचर्स के साथ कंसल्टेशन के साथ होगी. क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं होगा, कॉन्सोलेशन एंड कंडोलेंस नहीं होगा. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, कंसल्टेशन. Now, from every state and territory in Australia, dash a proposed framework for senior secondary school. Now, is developed, develops, had been developed, या फिर हमारे पास आ गया developed. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास उसने क्या बोला है कि दिस डिवीजन ऑफ रिसर्च, और अब यहाँ पे एजुकेशन की बात हो रही है और ट्रेनिंग की बात हो रही है, विद टीचर एंड करिकुलम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स फ्रॉम एवरी स्टेट एंड टेरिटरी इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो वर्ड्स हैं वो सिंगल सिंगल हैं कि रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स यहाँ पे एस के साथ आया, क्योंकि हमने देखना है कि ही शी इट के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं विद दी एस. तो यहाँ पे एवरी स्टेट और टेरिटरी की बात हो रही है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगी वो क्या आएगी, डेवलप्स. नाउ दिस फ्रेमवर्क डैश ऑन द करंट सीनियर साइंस, दिस फ्रेमवर्क नाउ हैज मॉडल्ड, टू मॉडल, इज मॉडल्ड or model. Now on the current senior science that were developed and published by this. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो सेंटेंस में बात हुई है वो वर में बात हुई है, तो इट मीन्स दिस फ्रेमवर्क है कि जो अभी के लिए बात कर रहा है, बट यहाँ पे उसने जो बात करी है कि वो ऐसा डेवलप्ड हुआ था, तो अभी ये फ्रेमवर्क हमारे पास डेवलप्ड हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या होएगा, मॉडल्ड. The APS hopes that this framework will dash a dialogue between educators. तो डायलॉग को क्या करेगा, वो फर्टिलाइज करेगा, फैसिलिटेट, फैसिनेट या कंडक्ट. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो ऑप्शन आएगी फैसिलिटेट. फैसिलिटीज यू कैन से कि इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटी. फर्टिलाइज और कंडक्ट का हमारे पास ऑप्शन नहीं बनता है. With the aim of working towards a more dash approach to the teaching of psychological science at secondary school level, towards a more conjunctive approach, consequent, consistent and consequent. तो अप्रोच जो होनी चाहिए वो कंसिस्टेंट होनी चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे कंसिस्टेंट. MCQ मल्टीपल आंसर्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज हियर, हम इस पे ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. According to the paragraph, what can be said about the effects of global changes? तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ ग्लोबल चेंजेस की बात हो रही है, तो जनरल टॉपिक है. The effect may occur conspicuously in certain areas than others. The local plant and animal will be permanently damaged. It is hard to know exactly what form the local effects will take. Sea water levels will fall around the world. The effects will not occur in some regions of the world. सो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट बन रहा है ए बन रहा है, और उसके अलावा यहाँ पे सी बन रहा है, क्योंकि दिस इज द जर्नल टॉपिक. अकॉर्डिंग टू द पैराग्राफ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू ऑफ द इम्पैक्ट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस Cretaceous period? A large amount of dust blocked sunlight from Earth. Earth became cold and dark for several months. New elements were formed in Earth crust. Large quantities of nitric acid were produced. Now, large this lifted can be determined by this settled on the surface. So first is the correct. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है इसने सनलाइट ब्लॉक दी सनलाइट कम्प्लीटली फ्रॉम रीचिंग दी सरफेस, तो यही हमारा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन था. अब यहाँ पे कोल्ड एंड डार्कनेस है, दैट लास्टेड एट लीस्ट सेवरल मंथ्स, सो बी भी हमारे पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. नाउ दिस एक्सप्लोजन इज कैलकुलेटेड नाइट्रिक एसिड, तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है उसने नाइट्रिक एसिड, तो हमारे पास डी भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. नेक्स्ट इज द रीऑर्डर पैराग्राफ. सो इसमें बोला द फर्स्ट ग्रुप वॉज आस्क्ड टू परफॉर्म सिंपल टास्क. व्हेन द टास्क वाज ओवर, नाउ रिसर्चर स्टडीज ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम this. Now research studied groups of people from the University of this. Now last में उसने बोला the researchers checked in periodically. Now यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ग्रुप की बात हो रही है और यहाँ पे when the task over हो गया तो टास्क पहले कहीं पे स्टार्ट हुआ होगा और यहाँ पे उसने बोला रिसर्च स्टडी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल्स देन रिसर्च चेक्ड इन पीरियोडिकली. तो पहले हमारे पास उसने बोला पहला ग्रुप था तो यहाँ पे उसने बोला स्टडी ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिस. तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जो पहला करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगा वो ये आएगा कि ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है. तो उसके बाद उसने क्या करा, फर्स्ट ग्रुप को स्टार्ट करा. द फर्स्ट ग्रुप वाज आस्क्ड. नाउ अब आगे उसने क्या बोला है, like pressing a button every time they took a breath or clicking in response to a letter popping up on a computer screen. Their tasks are so easy that their mind likely to wonder, the researchers figured. Now, the researchers checked in periodically when the task over, asking if their mind were on task or wondering. And the task over they measure each participant. So जब टास्क ओवर होगा तभी वो मेजर करेंगे. तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जो फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस बन रहा है वो बन रहा है 3142. सबसे पहले रिसर्च जो हुई है वो ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के ऊपर हुई है तो उनको एक टास्क मिला है. उसके बाद रिसर्चर्स ने उन टास्क को पीरियोडिकली चेक करा है. देन जब टास्क ओवर हो गया देन दे मेजर ईच पार्टिसिपेंट वर्किंग मेमोरी कैपेसिटी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी सीक्वेंस इज दिस, बट हम बाद में चेक भी करेंगे कि हमारा सीक्वेंस ठीक है या नहीं है. नेक्स्ट है दे आर होपफुल दैट स्टडिंग सम ऑफ देम विल यील्ड यूजफुल इंसाइट इनटू द काइंड ऑफ बायोलॉजी. दे आर, नाउ ये दे आर कहीं और भी हो सकते हैं. That's where you will find makes so salty or that the only bugs able to live there are species that could probably survive. If you want to visit Mars, visit Turkey. For that reason, microbiologist in Turkey. अब यहाँ पे उसने बोला है कि they are hopeful. तो they जो है वो कहीं और भी हो सकता है. That's where you will find lakes. Now, if you want to visit Mars, visit Turkey. तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस बनेगा वो बनेगा 3. कि अगर आप मार्स को विजिट करना चाहते हो तो आप तुर्की को भी विजिट कर सकते हो. दोनों के लिए जो चीज है वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. अब नेक्स्ट है, अब उसने तुर्की में बताया कि अगर मार्स को विजिट करना है तो वहां पे क्या है, तुर्की में क्या है, दैट्स वेयर. तो ये वेयर का जो कनेक्शन है वो इसके साथ बन रहा है. दैट्स वेयर यू विल फाइंड लेक सो सॉल्टी दैट द ओनली बग्स एबल टू लिव देयर आर स्पीशीज. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड. नाउ फॉर दैट रीजन कि ये जो है उस रीजन से माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट इन तुर्की हैव स्टडीड द एरे ऑफ स्पीशीज एंड दिस वन एंड दे आर. अब यहाँ पे उसने दे आर कौन हो गया, माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट. तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग सीक्वेंस है 3241, बट हम इसको लास्ट में चेक भी करेंगे, बट अभी के लिए आप चेक कर सकते हो. पहला आएगा कि अगर आप मार्स को विजिट करना चाहते हो तुर्की को विजिट कर सकते हो. तो तुर्की को विजिट क्यों करना है ये रीजन दिया उसने. फॉर इस रीजन के लिए माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट ने डिसाइड करा है और जो माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट हैं दे आर होपफुल. So we have to check the time, only 9 minutes and we have 6 questions. Now, for bird watchers in southern New Mexico, September can be highly entertaining. Good number of many diverse. So it's very easy. Many diverse. एक तो यहाँ पे many लगा हुआ है, ऊपर से यहाँ पे diverse है. तो many से हमें पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ पे जो sentence आएगा वो plural में आएगा. So plural में यहाँ पे genes है या उसके बाद हमारे पास species है. तो अगर diverse की बात हो रही है उसके according हमारे पास correct option आएगी species. Are on the move during this time. So are on the move during this time southward from northern. So इस टाइम पे वो क्या कर रहे हैं कि ट्रेवल भी कर सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पे फ्रॉम नॉर्दर्न ग्राउंड टू प्लेसेस दे विल स्पेंड द विंटर एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डैश. अब यहाँ पे ऑलवेज अ डैश दैट सम रेयर और अनयूजुअल बर्ड्स विल टर्न अप. सो ऑलवेज क्या इसने बोला कि जो अनयूजुअल बर्ड्स हैं वो टर्न अप कर सकते हैं. तो उसका हमारे पास एक चांस हो सकता है. तो इनमें आपने ब्लैंक्स में ध्यान रखना है, जिसमें आप श्योर हो वो आपने पहले फिल करनी है. सो ये तो क्लियर है. अब दे विल स्पेंड द विंटर एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज अ चांस. अब उसने बोला है मूव ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. तो वो इस टाइम पीरियड पे मूव करते हैं। तो अगर मूव वर्ड है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है ट्रैवलिंग, ट्रैवलिंग साउथवर्ड फ्रॉम नॉर्दर्न। अब कौन से ग्राउंड्स होंगे? ब्रीडिंग ग्राउंड्स। So first, species, traveling, breeding and chance. Britain became the largest dash in this, purchasing its interest from the Egyptian. The convention of this signed by the major European powers and it opened for free dash to all nations in time of peace or war. Britain became the dash of the neutrality and management was left to the Paris. Britain became the largest in the dash in 1875 purchasing its interest. तो यहाँ पे उसने लिखा है कि purchasing its interest, तो ब्रिटेन क्या बनेगा? सबसे लार्जेस्ट। किंगडम तो नहीं होएगा यहाँ पे। अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरेस्ट अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या चीज बनेगी? शेयर होल्डर। नाउ अब उसने बोला है कीप इट ओपन। कीप इट ओपन मतलब उस चीज को वो खुला रख रहा है फॉर फ्री टू ऑल नेशंस। तो अगर उसने सबसे लार्जेस्ट शेयर होल्डर बनना है, ठीक है, और परचेजिंग इंटरेस्ट उसने लिखा हुआ है और ओपन भी लिख रहा है, तो यहाँ पे ओपन के अकॉर्डिंग जो हमारे पास ऑप्शन बनता है तो वो बनता है ओपन पैसेज टू ऑल द नेशंस इन टाइम ऑफ पीस और वॉर। नेक्स्ट है ब्रिटेन बिकेम द डैश ऑफ दिस एंड मैनेजमेंट वॉज लेफ्ट टू द पेरिस। सो ब्रिटेन बिकम द ऑनर तो नहीं हो सकता, आई थिंक गारंटर, क्योंकि वो इस चीज की गारंटी ले रहा है। नेक्स्ट इज इन एन अटेम्प्ट टू डैश न्यू स्टूडेंट्स लीडिंग बिजनेस स्कूल्स इंक्लूडिंग हार्वर्ड, स्टैनफोर्ड, द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिस हैव मूव्ड अवे फ्रॉम द अनऑफिशियल एडमिशंस ऑफ 4 years वर्क एक्सपीरियंस and dash have set their side on recent college graduates so called early career with only a couple years of work under the belt. Now in an attempt to dash new student leading business school including this have moved away from the. Now in attempt to dash, अब यहाँ पे अगर हम लर्क की बात करते हैं तो लर्क का मतलब होता है लालच देना, प्रोफेशनल, कंक्लूजन, जुवेनाइल्स, दस, प्रीरेक्विसाइट चेक। आगे पढ़ते हैं, हैव मूव्ड अवे फ्रॉम द अनऑफिशियल एडमिशंस ऑफ 4 years वर्क एक्सपीरियंस। अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए तो उसके लिए वो पहले ये चीज हमें बताएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? प्रीरेक्विसाइट। एंड डैश हैव सेट देयर साइट्स। अर्ली करियर विद ओनली कपल years ऑफ वर्क अंडर देयर बेल्ट। अर्ली करियर क्या होंगे? वो प्रोफेशनल्स होंगे। सो इन अटेम्प्ट टू दिस, क्योंकि अगर हम उनको लालच दे रहे हैं, ल्योर मीन्स लालच देना, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड हैव सेट देयर साइट्स। सो दस हैव सेट देयर साइट और इंस्टेड। सो दीज आर द ऑप्शंस। Next, what such a map should have failed to reveal, however, was the changing nature of the dash put in place by Western firms as they shifted work around the globe. Western firm or any other firm for the matter each out across dash far off, they do through this conduct their business at a distance through a variety of indirect means of which subcontracting became the principal क्या बनेगा? arrangement was the changing nature of the connections reach out across to establish a factory। अगर उसने रीच आउट करना है तो आई थिंक बॉर्डर्स को रीच आउट करेगा। लोकेशन इज नॉट अ बिग थिंग। सम फार ऑफ डैश, अब लोकेशंस क्या हो सकती हैं? दूर हो सकती हैं, तो यहाँ पे आएगा फार ऑफ। अब चेंजिंग नेचर ऑफ द डैश पुट इन प्लेस, तो यहाँ पे उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या आ रहा है? कनेक्शन। अब उसने बोला एस्टैब्लिश अ फैक्ट्री आउटलेट हियर एंड असेंबली प्लांट देयर और सब्सिडरी इन सम फॉर्म, तो यहाँ पे आ गया बॉर्डर। फार ऑफ क्या होंगी लोकेशंस एंड प्रिंसिपल अरेंजमेंट्स. Focus on language as the window to legal is the central role of dash to law and other socio-cultural processes, in particular the dash that people hold about how language works combine. In recent years, dash have made much anthropologists developing more precisely analytic word है तो उसके साथ हमारे पास tools आएगा. पीपल होल्ड कर रहे हैं अबाउट हाउ लैंग्वेज वर्क कंबाइन विद लिंग्विस्टिक स्ट्रक्चर. तो पीपल जो होल्ड करेंगे वो क्या करेंगे, आइडियाज. अब उसने एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट बोला है तो यहाँ पे लिंग्विस्टिक स्ट्रक्चरिंग की बात हो रही है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम यहाँ पे लिंग्विस्टिक लगा देते हैं एंड सेंट्रल रोल ऑफ द डिस्कोर्स. Now this is MCQ single answer. How to excise taxes usually differ from tariffs. तो यहाँ पे उसने ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है विच अप्लाई ओनली टू फॉरेन मेड गुड्स एंड फ्रॉम सेल टैक्सेस. तो यहाँ पे गुड प्रोड्यूस्ड. Alkali metal were the first element in order of increasing. So next section is the listening section. Here timing is 30 to 43 minutes. This is the first question. Summarize spoken text. Note down the phrases. This is the first question of summarize spoken text. You will get 1 to 2 questions in the final exam.
As long as industrialized nations consume energy and developing countries increase their fossil fuel consumption, the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will continue to rise. Researchers predict that temperature will increase about 2 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century. What's less certain is what rising temperatures mean for the planet. Some climate models predict subtle changes. Others forecast rising sea levels, which could flood coastal areas around the world. Weather patterns could change, making hurricanes more frequent. Severe droughts could become more common in warm areas, and species unable to adapt to the changing conditions would face extinction. Although much remains to be learned about global warming, many organizations advocate cutting greenhouse gas emissions to reduce the impact of global warming. Consumers can help. By saving energy around the house, switching to compact fluorescent light bulbs, and driving fewer miles in the car each week, these simple changes may help keep the Earth cooler in the future.
Now the paragraph is on greenhouse gas emissions. So let's start. You will get 10 minutes. A brief lecture was presented on greenhouse gas emissions. The speaker was mainly talking about fossil fuel consumption, third line, but he also covered rising temperatures on the planet, Then he quoted some examples for better clarification. Later on, he also discussed patterns that could change, patterns that could change and become more common in warmer areas. Finally, the speaker summed up his lecture and concluded that, here words are 61, simple changes keep the earth cooler. So here is 67 words. Word limit is 50 to 70 words, and proofreading is very important in this section. So this is the main topic of the lecture, greenhouse gas emissions, and this is the second line from the template about fossil fuel consumption, third line, but he also covered rising temperatures on the planet. Then he quoted some examples. This is the line of the template. Later on, he also discussed patterns that could change and become more common in warmer areas. Finally, the speaker summed up his lecture and concluded that simple changes keep the earth cooler. So proofreading is very important in this task, and the time limit is 10 minutes and word limit is 50 to 70 words. So click on the next button. MCQ multiple answers. You have to tick on multiple options.
The Golden Age of American Agriculture. Listen to part of a lecture in a history class. Then answer the question. We call the first 2 decades of the 20th century the Golden Age of American Agriculture. What were the factors that made the period the Golden Age of American Agriculture? Who can offer some reasons?
New strains of crops, improved farming methods, and what about greater use of pesticides and fertilizers?
Absolutely. Technical advances continued to improve productivity. The U.S. Department of Agriculture set up demonstration farms to show how new techniques could improve crop yields. In 1914, Congress created the Agricultural Extension Service to advise farmers and their families about everything from crop fertilizers to home sowing projects. The Department of Agriculture undertook new research, developing hogs that fattened faster on less grain, as well as fertilizers that increased grain production, new hybrid seeds that developed into healthier plants, treatments that prevented or cured plant and animal diseases, and various methods for controlling pests were all introduced around this time. Anything else?
Wasn't there also some kind of population boom around then?
Good. Farm prices were high as demand for goods increased and land values rose. However, the good years of the early 20th century ended following World War I. What was happening then?
Maybe a lot of people, women especially, were moving from the farm to the cities.
What?
So according to me, correct option is the improvement of farming methods due to advanced technology, and C. Listening, filling the blanks.
In animals, a movement is coordinated by a cluster of neurons in the spinal cord called the Central Contract Pattern Generator, or CPG. This produces signals that drive muscles to contract rhythmically in a way that produces running or walking, depending on the pattern of pulse. A simple signal from the brain instructs the CPG to switch between modes such as going from a standstill to walking.
So first option is contract. You can check the spellings of contract from the first line also, contract pattern generator. And second is the pattern, because here it is pulse, so we use pattern. So answer of two blanks are within the paragraph. First is the contract in first blank and second is the pattern in the second blank. And third one is the switch between. So here it is switch between, because instructs the CPG to switch between. So अगर between है तो उसके साथ हमारे पास जो word आएगा वो क्या आएगा, plural. Modes from standstill to walking. Second question of listening, filling the blanks.
Finally, we take a look at how to mix and unmix liquids at the flick of a switch. Sandrine tells us more. Oil and water don't usually mix, but the new chemical sensitive to light has been added here to blend them together. When exposed to UV light, the chemical changes its structure and becomes soluble in water. This causes two layers to form, with the oil floating on top of the water-chemical combo. This method should be cheaper than the current alternative, which involves using high-energy centrifuges.
So first is how to mix and unmix liquids. क्योंकि mix and unmix है तो वहाँ पे हमारा liquid नहीं use होगा, liquids use होगा. Here to blend, blend means mix them together. Next is exposed. Then the current, which involves using high energy centrifuges. Alternative. Third one is alternative. So check your spelling: liquids, blend, exposed and alternative.
Postmodernism is, broadly speaking, a reaction against the movement or the period, or perhaps simply the values and beliefs of modernism. Most people, even those who seem to know what it is or was about, tend to define it in negative terms by telling us what it isn't or doesn't do. Initially, the term had a fairly limited application and referred to a new anti-modernist style of architecture. But it spread like a virus to include almost all aspects of contemporary culture. One thing we can be sure about is that it wanted to get rid of what were called the grand narratives by which we explained how the world and history got us from the past to the present. Another feature of postmodernism is its belief that truth and reality are human-centred and internal. That is, the primary source of truth in the present age is the self. This, I believe, has now all passed and been thrown in the rubbish bin of history. Yet it is difficult to know whether the age of information technology confirms the passing of postmodernism or is a consequence of it.
So audio was very slow. You can listen easily. First is the reaction, second is the negative, third is the initially. Now here it is full stop. So after full stop we start the letter with capital word, initially. Contemporary, human-centered and internal. Last is the primary source. Check your spellings: reaction, negative, initially, contemporary, internal and source. Highlight correct summary. Choose one option.
Now, one of the workplace models I want to look at today is telecommuting. Done properly, telecommuting makes good business sense and companies can make huge savings on their overheads. It can also be a very effective lure to recruit quality employees, but companies need to plan ahead and create the right culture for it to work. It's not as simple as just giving everybody a laptop and sending them off to work from home. Management needs to look at training, security and communication issues before any kind of telecommuting agreement is entered into. Now, a key part of making it work is ensuring that every employee, and that's whether they're at home or in the office, has equal access to resources and, of course, promotions. The last thing you want is to create a kind of us versus them scenario. The arrangement breaks down quickly if people start feeling isolated or limited in their chances of moving up the ladder if they aren't physically in the office. There has to be foresight right from the start in the hiring process. It's vital to screen employees carefully to determine who will be able to prosper working away from the office. Some companies give personality tests to prospective workers, and they do them online or over the phone to see if they're comfortable with that type of setup.
So जो पैराग्राफ था वो हमारा टैली कम्यूटिंग से रिलेटेड था, तो मैंने इसी अकॉर्डिंग बी ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करा है. MCQ single answer. Tick only one option.
So next Wednesday you're all going to be doing your presentations. We'll have to be very strict about timing. 15 minutes each, not a minute more. It might make sense to do a practice run-through at home, but that's up to you. I'm going to ask you to put an abstract of your presentation on our course website, but I'd like you to do that after you've given your talk. Come with your slides on a memory stick. That's the most straightforward way of dealing with things, I think. Oh, and don't forget to bring handouts for everyone. There won't be time to do photocopying that morning. So, any questions?
Select missing word. Option is iron, wood, plastic and glasses.
Drums can be divided according to shape. Some of the types are tubular, vessel, and frame drums. One of the most common tubular drums is the long drum. A lot of long drums are cylindrical. They have the same diameter from top to bottom, like this Polynesian drum. This drum was carved from a length of tree trunk and has a single skin head. For vessel drums, we have the kettle drum. Kettle drums have a single membrane stretched over a pot or vessel body. Vessel drums come in a variety of sizes, from the very large drums of Africa to the very compact and portable drums, like this one from Hawaii. The third type I want you to see is the frame drum. A frame drum consists of one or two membranes stretched over a simple frame, which is usually made of thin.
Which is usually made of thin. Next question, second question of select missing word. To your government, to your family, to your boss.
Why do we have crime? When will it all stop? It's sad that there is so much crime in our society. It hurts so many people. Most people in the world just want to live happily and be good neighbours. Why do some people turn to crime? Money is a big reason. Many criminals pickpocket, steal, kidnap, or even kill people to get money. There are many terrible crimes in the world. Perhaps the worst is ethnic cleansing. This is a crime against humanity. Many people are killed because of their colour or religion. People who commit this crime rarely go to prison. Have you ever been a victim of crime? What do you think we need to do to reduce crime rates? Perhaps you should write.
Highlight incorrect words.
Iron is a great material for making tools, but the oldest known iron artifacts were actually intended for decoration, 9 Egyptian beads that date back to 3200 BC. And now we know that this ancient jewelry has an even more impressive origin. The iron out of which it was crafted came from space. The metal cylinders were discovered in Egypt in 1911. To analyze the structure and chemical composition of the beads, researchers bombarded them with neutrons and gamma rays. The tests revealed that the jewelry contained trace elements not present in earthly ores, but that are found in iron-rich meteorites. The study is in the Journal of Archaeological Science. The meteoric metal was hammered flat and rolled into beads more than 5,000 years ago. This date is some 1,500 years before the invention of smelting. That technique made it possible for terrestrial iron to be shaped into tools and to supplant copper and bronze as civilization's metal of choice. The new finding shows that long before smelting revolutionized tool use, some humans were already iron men. Thanks for the minute. For Scientific American 60-Second Science, I'm Sophie Bushwick.
There are many occupational hazards in space travel, but Russian researchers have discovered a new one, meaner bacteria. Scientists launched colonies of bacilli and E. coli into space, and found they undergo significant changes, and not good ones either. The bacteria became much more aggressive, and started to eat spaceship components.
Feed me!
That's because they began to produce unusual enzymes, probably because of exposure to cosmic radiation and the lack of gravitation. The study on board the Mir and Photon 2 spaceships found that the changes occur even during short flights of 10 to 14 days. The bacteria change size and shape, and their DNA changes too. Some genes that are dormant on Earth switch on, producing the enzymes. The researchers think that it's also likely that the mutant bacteria could pose greater threats to astronauts, who already suffer from immune system problems in space. But there's one piece of good news. When the bacteria return to Earth, the aggressive traits vanish.
Write from dictation.
The ability to act on your own is called autonomy.
So first is the ability to act on your own is called autonomy. The ability to act on your own is called autonomy. Second question.
Global connections thrive in academic communities thanks to social media.
Global connections thrive in academic communities thanks to social media. Thanks to social media.
You will be tested via continuous assessment and examinations.
You will be tested by continuous assessment and examinations. I am writing here assessments also.
Many vocational courses in the institution are funded by private enterprises.
Many vocational courses in the institution are funded by private enterprises. So it will take some time. So this is the result of the real mock test. In listening it's 86, and in reading 88, speaking 86, and writing it's 90. So you have to take care some points while you are doing the real mock test of PTE. Means you have to focus on pronunciation and fluency in speaking, and in writing take care of spellings, and in reading understanding of context is very important, and in listening listen carefully. First you have to listen carefully, then write carefully, because most of the marks of listening is contributing in writing section. So focus on your spellings if you are weak in writing section, and if you need any kind of help especially for reading section and speaking section, then you can contact me for online and offline classes. My number is given in the description box, and share these videos with your friends as much as you can, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.